Dear friends, good morning, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are welcome in part 23 of the series. Before we start, let us see what we have covered in part 22, where we have discussed about the provisions made in the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020. Now we will critically examine this act related to dispute resolution and penalties. The judicial system was not provided. Number 2, framing of section 8, 9, 10 left some loose ends. Section 15, no civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceeding in respect of any matter, the cognizance of which can be taken and disposed of by any authority empowered by or under this act or the rules made thereunder. Dispute resolution is drafted under Chapter 3, which consists of Section 8, 9 and 10. In Section 8, mechanism to dispute resolution related to physical sales. It is 3-level system but an executive system. The farmer or trader can move the application to the SDM and he will refer to the conciliation board, which consists of chairperson is an officer working under SDM and consists of minimum 2 and maximum 4 members to be appointed by the SDM in equal numbers on the recommendations of the parties. If any party to recommend the name of the members within 7 days, but it has not been given up from when, number 1. Number 2, there is no specification whether 2 members are there or 4 members are there. Under what circumstances 2 members are required, under what circumstances 4 members are required. Then the SDM has authority to nominate on behalf of the party within how many days, it is not specified. If any settlement arrived between the parties, it is binding on them. If parties fail to reach an agreement within 30 days, then any of the party can move the application to SDM on the reference, or suo motu SDM can pass the order within 30 days from the date of filing the application after giving the opportunity to the parties to be heard. Aggrieved party. From the order, any party can file an appeal within 30 days from the date of order, not from the receipt of the order. Before the appellate, collector or additional collector, and to be decided by the appellant authority within 30 days from the date of filing the appeal. A settlement agreement or order from the SDM or appellate authority is decree and can be recovered as a land revenue. The Agriculture Marketing Advisor, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, Government of India, or an officer of the state government to whom such powers are delegated by the central government in consultation with the respective state governments may, on its own motion or on a petition or on the reference, may order after being heard which have the effect of decree and can be recovered as land revenue. No time limit is given. Appeal can be filed with a copy of the order within 60 days from the date of order, but not later than 90 days. To the officer not below the rank of the Joint Secretary, the appeal may be disposed of after being heard within 90 days of filing the appeal. Penalties for covering the provisions of Section 4 or its rules are minimum or rupees 25,000 and maximum rupees 5 lakh. In case of continuation from the second day, it is 5,000 per day. In case of contravention of Section 5 and 7, the penalty is doubled because it is digital. Now our suggestions are: Section 5 may be deleted, which restrict farmers and traders to get justice. B. Conciliation may be conducted as per Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Act 2019. C. Appeal may be before judicial officer. not executive officer. D. Appeal can be filed within 30 days from the date of receipt of the order, not from the date of order. E. As soon as application is filed within 7 days, SDM asks recommendation of the name of the members. If the name of the members not provided within 7 days, then after expiry of the time given within 7 days, the SDA should appoint the members on behalf of the parties who has not responded. After completion of this process within 30 days, the memorandum of conciliation settlement has to be signed, failing which within 30 days from the date of receipt of the report about failure, the SDA can pass the order and supply the copy of the order within 7 days from the date of order to both the parties under acknowledgement and free of cost. In part 24, we will appear with new and latest issues. I am also eagerly waiting for your comments, suggestions, questions to be taken up in the next part, if given on Yudhishthir's Gyan Ganga. Thank you very much. Please subscribe it free by using your email ID and push bell icon to get notifications immediately after release of next video. That will come by next Friday, अर्थात शुक्रवार. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Shukriya. Bye.